Hello everyone, this is Jobair Mahmud. In this video, I'll show you how you can exclude your internal traffic from Google Analytics 4 property. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Why the internal traffic exclusion is needed for your GA4? Because in a business, there are lots of parties are working. They are like your website development team, your founding team, your marketing team. Everyone is going into your website and doing some event. We don't want to see them into our report. If their behavior artificially inflated our report, we don't want that. So that's why GA4 has a functionality to exclude your internal traffic from your GA4 report also. For exclusion your internal traffic, you have to go into the admin section. You have to click the admin section. Then there is a data stream. Then you have to go into from the data collection modification. From this window, this data stream, just click the data stream, and then you have to go into your selected data stream. Just scroll down all the way down, and then there is a configure your tag setting. From the Google tag section, configure your tag setting. You just have to click it and scroll down, and there is option show more. Just scroll down. Define your internal traffic. Define IP addresses which traffic should be marked as internal. You just have to click this option, and there will be the internal traffic rules. So from here you have to click the create option, and this window will be pop up. Okay, and then the rule name, we are giving a name exclude internal traffic. Then you have to scroll down. This is the traffic type value. This is internal, just keep it. And then you have to come into here the IP address range. There's lots of option. IP address content, if you have different types of IP address, you can paste it over here. And IP address end with, it will take the number from the end character. IP address begin with, it will take the first letter with the IP address. We have to select IP address equals, then our internal traffic IP source. Suppose your office has a IP address, you can just give it. How you can find what is your IP address? You have to came into in the Google tab and search what is my IP. After searching what is my IP, this is your public IP address. You have to copy it and paste it over here. You can add more condition here if you have different type of IP address. And then we have to click the create. The internal traffic has created. Our internal traffic has been created. Then you have to came into the previous tab, and here you can see the data filters. You have to click this data filter, and there is the internal traffic exclude is testing. Its current state is testing. You have to click this and exclude, and there is three options: testing, active, inactive. You have to click the active, and then you have to save. And active filter, you have to click the active filter. It will exclude all the internal traffic from your report. So this is how you can exclude your internal traffic from your GA4 report. So it will not artificially infiltrate your report section. So that's all for today's video. If you like our content, please support our channel. I'll coming up with another brand new video. Till then, take care, goodbye and tata. Thank you.